Welcome to TroubleWithTish. I'm Tish and I be Trouble. And if you are a returner, welcome back. All right, so we have another Beauty Ninja Mask Monday, and we're gonna get UnReady, and then we're gonna use a specific kind of mask. But since you're not gonna sit here and watch me, then I think that we're just gonna do some skincare together. And then I'll show you the mask, we'll put it on, and then it's one you have to leave on overnight. So I'll wake up in the morning and I'll film what it looks like in the morning. All right, so to get the makeup off my face, we're going to use the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. I love this stuff. It works really well. And I probably use more than I should, but whatever. It's mine. I pay for it. So tell me what to do. So I just take a glob, warm it up in my hands, and then I rub it all over my face. And it helps to break down the makeup that's on my face. Now, I am not a skincare expert, and I'm not here to tell you what products to use. However, I know what works for me, and I know what I like. So this is what I use. And then I put it on my eyes, and I break down the glue from the lashes I had on, the mascara that's on my eyelashes. I used pinks and purples, so I want to make sure that the eyeshadow is broken down as much as possible. Rub it across my eyelashes to get the extra stuff off of them. Rub it in my eyebrows. I am not gentle with my face, so. And then we have to use water to break down the balm. So I got the headband and these little wrist things from Renee. I love them. It breaks down into this milky liquid. Now, I'm not really gentle, but you're supposed to be. I just want to be done with it. It's the end of my day. So, it kind of is what it is. Everywhere that balm was, I am breaking that down with water, and then I'm going to take my makeup eraser, which is wet. I'm going to wipe that off. Then I'm going to rinse out my makeup eraser and wipe my face again. So wring it out. All right. All right. I'm going to wet my hands a little bit. Rub that on my face. Then I'm going to use this Peach and Lily Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser. If you're going to use a balm cleanser or an oil cleanser, you need to double cleanse. You need to wash off the oil cleanser. It's not meant to be the only form of cleanser. All right, and then again, we wipe that off. With our makeup eraser, rinse it off. And go for another wipe. Making sure we have all that soap for second cleanser off the face. All right. So I'm gonna put this up here. So this is the one I wipe makeup off with, and that's the one I wipe my face with in the morning. I don't know why I have to, and that's the way it is, but that's the way it is. All right, since we're done with the water, we can take our wrist bands off here and set those over here to dry. Then we're going to take the e.l.f. Hydrating Water Essence, and I just put a little bit in my hand. Like I said, I'm not gentle, but you should be. I just kind of let that soak in a little bit. Then I'm going to take this Equinox Clinical Booster Moisture Lock Barrier and Hydration. I'm just going to take... Oh, we look like we're running out of that. All right. And I just rub it in my hands. I know. Rub it all over. And then I have this Mine Tan Body Skin Hydro Glow Sleep Serum. And I'm going to take a couple little pumps of that. All right, and then I have this Peach and Lily Pure Peach Retinol Eye Cream. I'm going to take about that much on my ring finger. Kind of tap those together. Gotta get them on the crow's feet. Kind of run it around underneath the eyeballs. We're just going to let that soak in the rest of the way. So then I have this. This is a Bakuchiel cream from Geek Out of Water. She is a fellow YouTuber, and she has a whole kit kind of waiting to get into that. So just take a little bit, again, rub it on the hands. Now like that, right? Just rub it down the neck. All right. And then I wash my hands because I touch my face a lot. I touch my eyeballs a lot. And I don't really want any of that in my eyeballs. So I'm going to dry my hands off. All right, and then the mask we have is the Biodance Biocollagen Real Deep Mask. So after the directions are to put the bottom mask on first, then put the top mask on, and leave it on for 3 to 4 hours or until it turns transparent. So I'm going to leave it on overnight because, oh good Lord, could my face really use some of this moisture. All right. Put this on the bottom mask. Ooh, it broke. Okay. So, note to self, it is not really sturdy. Okay, so this is what we're working with so far. And I am definitely going to be wearing this to bed. Because I will toss and turn. All right. So for me, I will see you in the morning. For you, you'll see me in a second. So I'll be right back. So note to self, take your nighttime supplements before you put on the Egger suit mask. Yeah. All right, so it is like the middle of the night and I cannot have this on my face any longer. Oh. Oh yeah, behind my ears. So you see lines on my face. It feels good, but yeah, I'm not sleeping very well, so oh, my ears. Okay, we won't do that again. I'm not sleeping well, and I got stuff that I gotta get up and do. And so I did have it on for 4 hours, so that counts, right? All right. Again, this is Beauty Ninjas Mask Mondays. So down below there is a playlist for for the rest of the Beauty Ninjas Mask Monday. I apologize. I am half asleep, so I'm surprised I don't look more like a hamster. Anyways, go check out the playlist. Go check out the other women and send them some love. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Yeah, you gotta like and comment and stuff. Hamster Tish needs a comment. All right, I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day. And remember, it costs nothing to be kind. And I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hand around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. to forget.